These are 3 Dave Lennox Signature Series Collection heat pumps. Yeah, I'm wondering why these aren't running. It's like 38 degrees right now. This is an XB25. 2014 5-ton. All 3 of these have the compressor blanket. Pretty much the same thing. I could probably come by here next Saturday when it's really cold and see if I can get a video of these bad boys running and possibly defrosting. And there's actually more units over here. At that building over there. Okay, I'll be back. This is the very same Grand Aire heat pump that I filmed last month. Well, it's all frozen up, but no sign of ice build up on it now. And this thing is noisy as hell. Yeah, this is a 2008 7.5-ton, 90,000 BTU. I forget what kind of compressor it has. And there's 3 2000 Trane XBs, or XEs actually. Don't know what model. I know it's an XE, but don't know what the SEER rating is. I know those are straight cool units from 2000. And it actually would appear that I missed a couple more over here. Pretty sure these might also be straight cool units. But that Grand Aire seems to be the only one run. Well, I mean, that's the only heat pump at this building. I'm not sure about these actually. Couple more XE series. Climate Tough Scroll. This one is actually, I think this one might be a 5-ton. In fact, it is. From March of 2000. So I guess that's when the original building was built. March of 2000. This one's a 2.5 or 6-ton actually. So yeah, these are straight cool units. The only heat pumps are the 3 of those Lennox Dave collection. Okay, let me start over. The only heat pumps in this area are that 3 of those Lennoxes, or those 3 Lennox Dave Signature Series collections, and that 1 Grand Aire. But the Grand Aire seems to be the only one running. So, and back to the Lennoxes. Yeah, I'll try to come back here on Saturday morning. See if I can get these defrosting. It's supposed to be like 23 degrees unless the weather changes. And these are mounted up on legs. Yeah, I don't think these have been running recently, so I'm sure that these units are very quiet when they run. Yeah, these definitely have not been running, unfortunately, so there's the reversing valve. That really sucks. It's 39 degrees and it still feels like it's below freezing. And now these are running, probably because the building's vacant. Okay. I don't know if these use interval defrost or demand defrost, but I mean, I highly doubt I'm gonna get a steam show. But I guess I'll still wait around for any one of these three to turn on, and possibly go into defrost if I'm lucky. And this one actually has a crankcase heater, it would appear. Or all three of these might actually. Yep. These are really, really nice units. Okay. I'll let you know if anything happens. Out.